Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sai Chandu. Let's get started. So today we are going to see generative AI full course with interview questions and answers. Okay. So here is a prompt. Explain generative AI full course with technical definitions with example. Explain it like a 4 years kid with Telugu style explanation in simple English. So it is generated all these things. So let's get started. What is saying? Okay. What is AI first? AI means computer acting like a smart human. Like you ask a question, computer answers. Okay. That is nothing but AI. That's it. Like it's just like where is a toy? If you ask to mom, okay, she will answer. Okay. AI also, if you ask a question, it will answer to that question. Okay. That is known as generate. What is AI? Okay. Next, technical definition. What is artificial intelligence? Okay. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science where machines simulate human intelligence like learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language. Okay. Examples of artificial intelligence are ChatGPT answering questions. Okay. Google Maps finding routes. Okay. We are using Google Maps, right? We able to find routes. Okay. And YouTube recommending videos. It will recommend videos, right? This is example for AI. You understood, right? What is AI means? You ask a question, computer answers it. Okay. That is nothing but AI. Okay. That's it. What is generative AI then? C. Kid level explanation. Okay. Imagine small kid drawing new cartoon. Okay. He has drawn new cartoon. Okay. Nobody stored that exact drawing before. Okay. Nobody stored that exact drawing before. Kid created new drawing. This is what generative AI is similar to. That means he has drawn some drawing. Nobody stored that drawing before. That became new drawing. Okay. Same as generative AI creates. Same like this. Generative AI creates text, new images, music, new video, new code. That is nothing but generative AI. Okay. Okay. What is generative AI? Generative AI means new text, new image, new music, new video, and code. That is nothing but generative AI. Okay. Now we'll see the technical definitions. Okay. Technical definitions of generative AI is a type of AI model that learns patterns from huge datasets and generates new context similar to training data. What is data sets? Okay, you understood, right? It's a AI model. AI means you understood, right? AI means what? AI means ask a question to the computer, it will answer it. That's it. Okay. So generative AI is also a type of AI. Okay, asking a question and answer, but it will generate the creative one, new one. Generative AI it will create new one by patterns from where? From data sets. Data sets means this one. Text, image, music, audio one. This one. And generate new context similar to training data. That's it. Example. We'll see ChatGPT. Okay. Generate text. Okay. OpenAI image model generate images. Google Gemini generates answers. Okay. Coding AI generate codes. These are the examples. Okay. Now we'll see what is the traditional AI versus generative AI. Traditional AI detects. Okay, it will ask a question, it gives answers. Generative AI creates new one. I remember this example. Kid drawn in drawing. No one stored previously like that. Now it is created new one, not old one. So that's not even generating a new one. That is how generative AI. Okay, creating new one. And traditional AI means asking a question and detects and it predicts and answer that question. That is generative. It will generate. Okay. Example of traditional AI is spam detection. Okay. Spam detections. Okay. In email spam detections. Okay. And writing emails is nothing but generative AI. We can also generate emails with generative AI, right? That's it. And okay, it will give the fixed output. Okay, it will be creativity means generative AI. That's it. Okay, example we'll see. Okay, traditional AI, this is cat. That's it. It will say this is cat only. That's it. Generative AI means it will generate, here is a story of cat. It will also generate cat cat image. It will also gives cat song. This is using by chat GPT, right? If you based on prompts it will generate, right? That is the thing about generative AI. Okay, that's it. That is difference between traditional gen and versus generative AI. Next, what is machine learning? You know, machine learning, people are saying machine learning, machine learning, machine. We'll see one example, kid level example. Small boy learns fire is hot. Okay, we know fire is hot by touching that fire. Okay, we know once we know. While touching that ice, we know ice is cold, right? The small kid also first time he learns like that. Okay, after seeing many times. Okay, after seeing many times. Okay, after seeing many times. Similarly, computer also learns from data many times. This is nothing but machine learning. Computer what it does learns from data like images, audios, videos, all that data means all the data from many times. Okay, that is nothing but machine learning. Okay, technical definition: machine learning is a subset of AI. Subset of AI. That means with a big circle, with a big circle, small circle inside one another circle is there. That is nothing but machine learning. In a bigger circle, another circle inside another circle is there. That inside another circle is nothing but machine learning. Okay, machine learning is a subset of, that is why it is saying subset. Machine learning is subset of AI where systems learn patterns from data. Systems learn pattern from data without explicit programming. Without explicit programming, okay, without programming it will learn the patterns from data. Okay, that is nothing but machine learning. Got it right? It is nothing but facts, learning the facts. Fire is hot, ice is cold, like that. That is nothing but computer. What it does, it learns from data many times. Okay, it learns some data from many times. That's it. That is about machine learning. What is deep learning then? Okay, we'll see the example. You get kid level example. Human brains has neurons. Okay, computer makes fake brains layers. Those layers learn difficult things. Okay, humans have neurons, right? Neurons. Okay, computer what it does, it makes fake brain layers. By that layers only learns the difficult things. Okay, that is nothing but deep learning. Learning difficult things is nothing but deep learning. Okay, machine learning means learning the facts. Okay, generative AI means generating the new content. Okay, generating new content. Machine learning means learning the facts. Okay, and deep learning means learning difficult things. Okay, by neurons like a fake brain layers. Okay, now technical definitions we'll see. Deep learning uses multiple layer neurons to learn complex patterns from large data sets. Again, data sets means text, image, audio, videos. These are all data sets. Okay, okay. What here it is saying multiple neural networks, right? What is neural networks? Again, neural networks is nothing but it is a machine learning. Okay, it is a machine learning. What is machine learning? It's a facts, learning about facts, right? It's a machine learning model. What is neural network? It's a machine learning model. Okay, inspired by human brain. It's a machine learning model inspired by human brain, nothing but neural networks. Okay, this is only next topic is neural networks only. Okay, how do you got to know neural networks means is a machine learning model? Copy this, paste it here. What is neural networks in GenAI? Now it might not give the same example. Same example. Learn complex concept with AI. Okay, continue. Array, back. See, it is saying computing system inspired by human brains that power generated AI. Previously, when I searched it, it gave what it gave machine. It's a machine learning model inspired by human gave. Now I typed again. It is saying computer systems inspired by human brains that power that's the power of generative AI. What does it mean now? This is a generative AI. This Gemini is one generative AI. ChatGPT is generative AI. Every time when you type a same question, it doesn't give the same answer. It will create the new things. That means generative AI. Okay. Now the topic is neural networks, right? Neural networks means machine learning model inspired by human brain. Okay. Inspired by human brains. Okay. Now that's the next topic. Neural networks. Like school student passing answers. Student 1 to student 2 to student 3. Finally answer comes. Okay. Computer neurons also pass informations. Okay, pass information. A neural network is a computational model inspired by human brains. I already said, right? Containing interconnected nodes. Okay, no, containing interconnected nodes. Understood, right? Neural network means it's a machine learning model inspired by human brains. Okay, that pass information. That pass information is nothing but neural networks. Next, what is LLMs? People say LLM, LLM, right? We will see example first. Okay, what is LLM? Okay, imagine one boy read all storybooks, newspapers, and internet data. How he talks now he talks smartly. LLM also reads lots of text. Sorry, lots of text. Okay, it reads lots of text. Okay, and it answers. It answers. Okay, that is nothing but LLMs. That's it. Simple, right? Technical definition: LLM is a deep learning model trained on massive text datasets to understand and generate human-like language. Human-like language. Okay. To understand and generate human-like language. Okay. It is trained on massive dataset. LLM is a deep learning model. What is it? Deep learning model. What is it? Deep learning. Deep learning means what? It is learns the difficult things. Okay. By fake brain layers. Learns difficult things by fake brain layers. Okay. Got it right? What is LLM? It's a deep learning model. Okay, learns the difficult things by fake brain layers. That is the meaning of deep learning, right? Okay, from datasets, understanding the generative human-like language. Okay, generate human-like language. Okay, understand and generates human-like language. That is nothing but LLMs. That's it. Simple example, remember, is all storybooks. One if one boy reads and newspaper he reads and internet data he reads, now he can talk smartly. Similarly, LMO also reads lots of text. That's it, and it can answer it. Okay, difficult things it can learn and answer. That is nothing but LLMs. That's it. Example: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Meta Llama. That's it. What is tokens? This is very much important. Okay, because entire thing is works on this only. Computer does example we will see. Okay, okay, explanation. Computer doesn't read full sentence. Computer doesn't read full sentence. It breaks into small pieces. Example: I love mango. It becomes I is one token, love is one token, and mango is another token. These are three tokens. Okay, these are three tokens. Okay. Technical definition: tokens are small text units processed by large models. Understood, right? What is tokens means? It will divide the each word will be divided, and each word is treated as one token. Okay, tokens are small text unit processed by large models. Okay, it will be processed by large models. Okay, that's it. What is training? Training we are saying, right? Training. Teacher give homework. Teacher gives examples. Teacher also gives practice work. Then child learns, correct? AI also learns by practicing on huge data. AI continuously practice without our without see, we will study based on whenever is an exam or a slip test or the exam, right? But AI continuously learns whether it's millions of data every day. It will prepare and it will prepare be ready to answer it like that. Whether someone asks or not, it will be learning practicing the huge data. Okay, that is nothing but training. That is not training. Okay. Okay. Technical definition we'll see. Training is a process of optimizing model parameters using large data sets. What is data set again? Images, text, audios, videos, that like that. Okay. Okay. Optimizing means effectiveness. Okay. Optimizing process of optimizing model parameters. Okay. Using large data sets. If someone asks in interview, you can say this one, plus if they are deeply asked definition, they can say this technical definition. That's it. What is data sets? Data set means big notebook of information. Okay, notebook of information. See, data sets, I already said it: text, image, audio, videos, all that. In textbook also, if you see physics also, any other subjects, physics drawing will be there, and text will be there. All the things will be there, right? Okay, data sets means big notebook of information. Okay. A data set is a structured collection of data used for training AI models. Use it for what? Data set is used for training the AI models. You know what is AI, right? Ask a question to the computer, it will answer it. That's it. Generative AI means it creates a new context. Okay, it will create a new context. Create the new text. Okay, I like remember the child drawing the drawing the that example. Okay. Next, what is prompt engineering? Okay, kid level explanation we'll see. Okay, if you ask clearly, draw a red car, you get good drawing. Okay, bad question means bad drawing. For example, bad question, write code. If you say we doesn't know which language to it should choose, whether it should write CSS or not, it's not. You are in your mind, these are requirements. React I want, CSS I want, and specifically telling CSS if you want. In your mind is there. If you just write a code, this is a bad prompt. Okay, and good prompt is write React logic from using Tailwind CSS. It will give the this is a good prompt. Okay, it will give the correct answer. Okay. Similarly, one more prompt engineering means we'll see this example. See, explain generative AI full course means it will give only the generative AI full course. That's it. It won't give a syllabus. It will not. It will only give. Now again the same question again modified. Explain generative AI course with technical definitions. It will give only technical definition. Doesn't give anything. If you ask with example, then it will only give explanation example, and it won't give kid level explanation. You should ask, okay, like this. Explain generative AI full course technical examples with example, explain it like a 4 years kid in Telugu style. Okay, and again English also, so many English foreign English, if it speak, then you might not understand your language. If you don't write this, explain in simple English, it will type, if you, up to here, if you type it, it will give in Telugu. So you have to mention here, explain in simple English, then it will explain Telugu style English, it will explain. Okay, that's the magic of prompt engineering. Okay, that's the magic of prompt engineering. We have to say everything to get the answer. Okay, that's the magic of prompt engineering. Okay, so instead of generative AI, you can type any course name, any subject name, the same prompt is same, then entire subject is covered like that. Okay, understood, right? Now prompt engineering completed topic. Good question, good answer. Bad question, bad answer. That's it. That is prompt engineering. Over, right? Temperature, temperature in AI. What is temperature in AI? Temperature controls temperature controls creativity. Okay, low temperature, high temperature, serious answers. Okay, at low temperature, crazy creative answers is high temperature. We'll see technical definition. Temperature is a parameter controlling randomness in token generation. Is nothing but temperature in AI. It what is temperature in AI means it controls creativity. That's it. Control creativity means generative AI, right? It will create the new things. Temperature okay. It will generate serious answers. It will generate based on some temperature. Crazy creative answers. Okay, based on prompts. Okay, like that you assume. Okay, temperature in AI. That's it. Hallucinations. What is hallucinations? We'll see the examples of hallucination. Sometimes child tells fake stories confidently. That is nothing but hallucinations. Hallucinations. Okay. AI also sometimes gives wrong answers confidently. That is nothing but this is nothing but actual definition of AI with respect to hallucination. Okay. This is a kid level explanation, and this is the actual AI in terms of AI explanation. Same everywhere like this. Under kid level explanation is there. AI level explanation is there. Okay. Then technical definition is there, right? Hallucinations. Okay. AI also sometimes give wrong answers confidently. That is nothing but hallucinations. Okay. Technical definition is hallucination occurs when AI generates incorrect or fabricated information. That means incorrect information if it generates confidently, that is nothing but hallucinations. Completed, right? Next. Embeddings means kid explanation. Computer converts words into neurons so machine can understand. Computer converts words into sorry, not neurons, numbers. Computer what will do, it understand only numbers, zeros and ones, like that. Okay, Computers convert the words into numbers so machine can understand. That is nothing but embeddings. There just different terminologies there. That's it. Knowing the terminology, if you know the terminology, then you know generative AI. That's it. Where this generative AI is there? It is there in masters, I guess. Not guess. My brother said it. It is in masters. Okay. Yesterday only I got to know. So I also just once read it. I felt very easy, so I thought to make video like that. So it will be useful for so many people like that. Okay. 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 Embeddings. Embeddings means what? Computer converts words into numbers and machine can understand. Okay. Technical definition we'll see. Embeddings are the neuron vectors representing of text capturing semantic meaning. Okay, meanings. Okay. Embeddings are the numerical vector representation of text capturing semantic meanings. It will convert this text into numbers. That's simple. Remember that is nothing but embeddings. That's it. Next, vector database. What is vector database? We'll see the example. Kid level explanation. Like toy box arranging similar toys together. Toy box. Toy box is there. Kid is arranging similar toys together. Okay, that is a kid level explanation. Okay. Now AI perspective we will see. AI stores similar meaning together. Is nothing but vector data sets. AI stores similar meaning together is nothing but vector data sets. Technical is a vector data set stores embeddings. Embeddings for similarity, search and retrievals. Embeddings. Embeddings means what? Words into new numbers, right? It will store similar words into numbers into similarity, search and retrievals to get it. Okay, that's it. That is our vector data sets. Understood, right? What is vector data set? Similar meaning together it stores. Okay, similar meaning database is there, right? Database is nothing but storing, right? Vector database means similar data, similar meanings together stored is nothing but vector database. That's it. What is RAG? RAG. This time people are saying RAG, right? Okay, retrieval or augmented generation. Okay, we'll see kid level explanation. Before answering exams, student checks our textbook, right? AI also checks documents before answering, right? This is nothing. This is AI perspective. What it does means AI means ChatGPT, right? While answering if a question, it will check the documents. That is the meaning here, and answer it will answer. You understood, right? Simple. See, when we are giving exam before exam, we will read the textbooks, right? Then only we are able to answer it. That is nothing but RAG. Okay, AI checks the documents before answering. That's it. Technical definition: RAG combines retrieval system with LLMs. LLMs means large language models to generate control awareness. Okay, LLMs. What is LLM? Just now we studied it. Okay, one person read all books, newspapers, internet data, and he can smartly answer them. It means LLM also reads lots of text. LLM also reads lots of text. That is nothing but LLMs. Okay, we are at RAGs, right? RAGs. Okay, RAGs means we understood, right? AI also check documentation before answering it. Okay, that's it. What is fine tuning? Fine tuning means example we'll see. One child already know English. They know English, but teacher is specially teaching him doctor language. It is teacher is teaching to student, and lawyer language teacher is teaching to student. That's it. This is non-technical example of kid level explanation. Okay. Now technical. Same AI gets special training. Okay. Similar thing. AI already trained, right? But in different domains, it will get training. That is nothing but fine tuning. Okay. Fine tuning is an additional training of pre-trained model on different domain specific data sets. Domain specific data set. Data sets means again audio, video, text. That's it. Okay. That is nothing but fine tuning. Okay. Already trained one in different domains also it is giving training means that is nothing but fine tuning. Got it right? Now what is AI agent? Agents. AI means you know, right? Already we studied questions and answers. Okay. Normal AI only talks. Okay. Normal AI only talks. Agent AI can think. Normal AI only talks. Okay. Only talks. It can only talk. Like Alexa is there. So many AIs are there. Right? It can talk. When we talk, it will respond. Right. Okay. Alexa is there. Right. If when we it will think. If Alexa give me some select one song means it will generate the song. Right. Agent AI. I'm thinking that one. Okay. Think. It can think, plan, do actions. Okay. Like assistant. Okay. It like assistant. Okay. Okay. Technical definition: AI agents are autonomous systems that okay perceive, reason, and perform tasks using tools and memories. Okay, that's it. This is a technical definition. What is this? AI agents means what? It can think, plan, do actions. It can think, plan, and do actions. Nothing but AI agents. Okay, multimodal. What is multimodal? We'll see kid level explanation. Okay, AI can now see image, hear voice, read text like humans. That is nothing but multimodals. Like humans, we can see it, we can hear the voice, and we can read the text, right, by seeing. Similarly, AI can do the same task, then that is known as multimodal. If given some name, whatever the human activities it can do, in terms of AI also it can do, means that is known as multimodal. That's it. Technical definition: multimodal AI process multiple data types such as text, image, audio, and video. That's it. Processes multiple data types using text, image, audio, and video. That's it. Next, image generation. Okay, kid level explanation. You say car riding bike. Then sorry, cat riding bike. Okay, cat will be sitting on the bike, and that riding image will be generated by Chat GPT like that. Okay, AI draws new images. AI draws new images. Okay, when we give prompt like this, it will draw new images. Okay, that's not image generation. That's it. Technical image generation model create images from textual prompts using diffusion or transformer architectures. Okay, this is technical definition. This is simple examples. Okay, we can remember basically simple examples only. Okay, in some technical definition will be easy to understand. Some technical definition will be first we need to understand transformer first. What is transformer? Then only we are able to understand this one. But what is image generation means? AI draws new images. That's it. Draws new images means image generation. In image generation only, the definition answer is there. That means drawing new images. That's it. Now this is the next topic. We'll see transformers. Okay. Now not okay. We'll see transformers later. Okay. Here it is there. You see transformer. AI pays attention to important words like teacher listening carefully. Okay, technical transformer use self-attention mechanism to process sequence data efficiently. Okay, okay, highlighting the words, important words. Okay, this is nothing but transformers. Okay, now we'll see the definition. Image generation models create images from textual prompts, textual questions. Okay, using using diffusion means also same, and in highlighted words also means same. Highlighted words architecture. Highlighted words means transformers. From where we got to know? Here, transformer architecture pays attention to important words. Okay, self attention mechanism to process sequential data efficiently. Pays attention to mechanism to process the sequential data efficiently. That's it. Simple. You can remember like transformer architecture means important words. Paying attention to important words. That's it. Now what we completed? Image generation. We got next in diffusion. Diffusion. Here also is one more is that diffusion is right. Here it is given. Okay. What is diffusion? We'll see. AI first sees blurry images. Okay, it sees blurry images. It will clean step by step, and finally full beautiful image will be generated. Okay, that's it. Now we study image generation model creates image from textual prompts, textual questions using the blurry images, step by step cleaning, and fully beautiful generation, or highlighting the words, important words, architecture. That's it. About image generation. Okay. Diffusion model understood, right? This is example. And technical definition is diffusion model generates data by progressively denoising random noise. Sorry, this is a technical definition. That's it. Next, we have completed transformer architecture, right? Important words. Okay. Next, attention mechanism. What is attention mechanism? Ravi dropped glass because he was careless. Now AI will observe. He means AI. He means sorry. He means Ravi, right? AI will learn where to focus. It will understand. AI will understand. Okay, he means Ravi, like that. Now we can understand as a humans he means Ravi, but AI don't understand it. So if AI understand, then that is nothing but he means AI, Ravi means that it can understand it. That understanding nothing but attention mechanism. That's it. Mechanism technical definition. Attention helps model focus on relevant parts of input data during processing. Attention helps model focuses on relevant parts of input data. It focuses on data during the processing. During the processing, okay, during the processing, it will understand that data is okay. This data is related to previous first data only, like that. That is nothing but attention mechanism. That's it. Previous first data which is referred to, like that. Here is an example. He means here Ravi only, like that. Relevant parts. Okay, relevant part. That's it. Now next definition we'll see context window. Kid level explanation. AI memory space while talking. Small memory forgets quickly. Big memory remembers more conversations. Conversation. Okay. If small memory is there, it will forget quickly. Big memory is there, remembers more conversations. Now we'll see technical definition. Context window is a maximum number of tokens a model can process simultaneously. Tokens means we understood it. I love India. I is one token. Love is another token. India is another token. If okay, that is means a window context window is a maximum number of tokens. Small tokens is then means it will forget quickly. If large token talk see small memory means forget quickly. Okay. Larger memory means remembers the conversations. Okay. That is the example and this is a technical definition. Context window is a mechanism number of tokens of a model can process simultaneously. It can process that many tokens. Okay. Three tokens are there, right? I love India. Three tokens it can process simultaneously. That is nothing but context window. That's it. Now AGI. AGI will say in future people are saying future AGI will come, right? What is AGI will say? Artificial General Intelligence. Okay. Kid level explanation will say future super AI can do almost everything humans can do. Like what I'm thinking, like example, what I'm thinking, like instead of hiring a servant, uh, now we can hire a. I mean, in future we can hire a. We can buy a bot, so it can only cook. It can only sweep the room. It can only do whatever tasks. If you say go to kirana shop and bring some vegetables, all the things, it will only do bill and come to the exact destination. That I am thinking. That is my imagination. Okay, that is not my AGI because it is only said that future super AI can do almost everything like humans do. Okay, if we instruct, so everyone will buy like how robo movie is shown, right? Everyone will buy what robots now. Future, not servants. No servant will be there like that. Now AGM is that only. I said example nowhere I studied. Okay, imagine I said like going to kirana shop, sweeping the room, cooking the things, and washing machine operating washing machine. All the things is done by future AI, AGI. That is what I'm thinking. I guess someone listens and it will be true. Okay, no, it might be true. Okay, because someone has budget. If this I'm if imagination, if someone has budget, if they listen, if they implement, then it will be implemented. That's it. Because they have instruments, right? Good example, right? For future AGI means, okay, future super AI that can do almost everything like human can do. Now only IT work, some all the things generating by, okay, automatic also it is now ChatGPT is generating the codes, right? Now only it is doing half of the work. Bug fixing also it can do if you paste the code. Okay. Now ChatGPT what all it does, if we instruct something, if you are registering something, if you instruct copy paste that to ChatGPT, uh, what is it? It will say, okay, these are the options we have. Then which option you have to choose means it will say this option you have to select like that. Like that, it will give examples. Now it is helping, right? It is helping. Now Copilot is not Copilot. Mm, Cloud is there. Cloud. By just giving the prompt only, it will internally so many prompts it will generate without writing a single line of code. It is doing the work of software developer, right? But it will generate in such a way that some bug will be there. Again, we have to mention so that it will also earn the by servers, right? That's how it is designed. Some mistake will be there. Again, it will only identify mistakes and it will only correct it, and it will only again it will generate prompts, and that limit will complete. So what is freely available? ChatGPT is freely available. Claude is price. It is not freely available. Okay. Now, why I'm saying this example, because this is maximum software industry side it is doing, right. Now in futures, I am thinking like in home. Okay, trained one AGI will come. First, we should buy it. I'm thinking like that. We should buy it. That AGI will do. It will sweep it. It will remove dust. Okay, it will what human will do. I'm just thinking. Okay, it will cook. Human will cook, right? It will operate washing machine, and we say go to Kirana shop. We have to press source and destination, and where we are going also we can see in cameras like that. I'm just imagining. Okay, if we can see from home whether it went to correct destination Kirana store or not, we can see that in, and it will why we can see means I'm saying if others could not operate that one, so many AGIs will be there, right? So Kirana store it will go and it will bring all that samans, okay, all these stores like that. That is the AGI, future AGI. That is imaginary of mine. Okay, based on this definition, I imagine human activities inside it. If, who knows, in future it might come. Okay, that's it. AGI means that is almost every human activities AI can do. Super AI can do. That's it. Next, real world users to of generative AI field. We already just now spoke, right. IT field, coding answer assistant is there. Hospital also reporting generate report generation is there. Education is teaching. See, ChatGPT. This entire course is generated by that prompt only, right. Education perspective, teaching also it can do. YouTube script writing it can do. Like if you paste one link, you can ask the review like how much rating you can give for that link, and what are give me the notes for that video. If you say, you will get all the notes of that video, specific notes you will get without seeing that video only. That is YouTube. Next, business also automation came. HR is resume screening also. That what who is doing that? ATS is doing, right. ATS is doing most of the work. Resume screening also. Okay, that is by AI only. And design also, image creation. Okay, image creation, design image creation. Okay, that's it. This is nothing but fields and use of generative AI. Okay, real world use of generative AI. That's it. Generative AI roadmap. Okay, see, beginner level learn basics, AI basics already we know. ML basics. Okay, ML basics. Python someone one should learn. Okay, I suggest basically Python means, mm, for quick revision I suggest Python. For Python is best one is 10.10 hours something is there. Best one is, I'm not promoting anyone. Okay, I'm telling where I revised it. Okay, Not learned. I learned so many ways before. Institute also I learned Python. Okay, so I'll suggest Python best course means Python by Apna College, 10 hours. That one Python. Okay, prompt engineering also prompt engineering. After Python for learning Python the basics also. Django also I only said in my YouTube channel. Okay, prompt engineering means this only prompt engineering means 27 question we are in, right. This only prompt engineering means we are generating one prompt. This is generating an answer based on this question. This is generating answer. This is nothing but prompt engineering. We are at 27, right? 27, 27. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are, here it is 27. Okay. Intermediate level LLMs. Well, we know, right? Large language models. Okay. LLMs we study. APIs also I covered in my channel only. LangChain we are going to see. RAGs we are going to see. We also seen RAG. Vector DBs also we have seen, right? RAGs also we have seen, right? Intermediate. Okay. Advanced means fine tuning also we will see. We are seen. AI agent also we have seen, and deployments. Okay, deployments means there are so many deployments are there. One which I used is what we call render.com I used. Okay, by using ChatGPT. ML ops. Okay, this is nothing but energy and roadmap. Okay, now important tools. These are the important Python for programming. Okay, OpenAI APIs for AI integrations. Google Colab is for run notebooks. LangChain for AI workflows. Pipeline for vector DBs. Hugging Face is for AI models. Simple full flow of generative AI. Okay. User question. Okay, just now we see not we question. That is nothing but prompt. LLM, large language models. Okay. Token systems. Okay, tokens divided into words and response is generated. LLMs, right? Control C, Control F. Lots of okay, lots of internet text and data. Human reads. Okay, that's nothing but LLMs. Okay, as you already seen. Okay, where we are. See this story you remember. One boy reads all storybooks, newspaper, and news, and he talks smartly. Similarly, AI lots of text. That's it. Now we are at okay. A question user question prompt means question only prompt, and AI reads everything. AI reads lot of text, and it generates into it divides into words. Words means that only right tokens, token prediction, and generate response. That's it. Like child question, brain thinking, and talking answer. That's it. Final easy summary. AI means smart computer. Machine learning means computer language. Deep learning means artificial brain. Lots of text AI reads. Okay. LLMs. Okay. Prompt means instructions. Okay. Prompt means instructions. Okay. Instructions means prompts. Okay. Questioning. That. Okay. We are instructing, right? Here prompts we are instructing. I want like this only. We are instructing. This is nothing but instruction. Then it is generated. Based on this instruction only it is generated. Okay. Questioning and prompt. We understood, right? What is questioning and prompt? What else? Generative AI means generating the creating the new text. Okay, context. Okay, creating the new things. Okay, and even generating generative AI. Okay, rag means open book exam. Okay, before giving the before answering it, it will refer the documents. Okay, that is nothing but rags. We studied all this fine tuning. Special coaching. Okay, already trained one is there, but we doctor domain knowledge and lawyer domain knowledge also we teacher if teaching means that is nothing but fine tuning, right? AI also trained one is there. Different domains, doctor domain, lawyer domain, it is getting trained means that is not fine tuning. Next, what is agent? Agent means we already seen that AI assistant worker. That's it. Next we see interview one line definitions. Okay. AI means machine simulating human intelligence. Okay. ML means learning from data. Deep learning means neural network based on model. Neural network means machine learning model. Machine learning model inspired by human brains. Okay. Based learning. Okay. Deep learning. Okay. LLMs means already we know. Last text. Okay. Remember that example. A trained language model. Okay. That means it is lots of data it will read. Okay. Lots of text it will LLMs. Lots of data it will read. Okay. Generative AI creates new context. Okay. Prompt engineering instructions, writing effective instructions, AI instructions, RAGs. Before writing exam, we will read, right? Similarly, it will before giving the answers, it will define the documents. Okay. Retrievals. Okay. Generations. Fine tuning. Fine tuning means just now we said, right? Specialized retraining. Okay. Fine tuning. Fine tuning. Fine tuning. Fine tuning. Okay. Special coaching. Already. Okay. Fine tuning means see, we have to remember these terminologies. Then the definitions we will not understand. Okay. Fine tuning means what? Once trained AI with different domains, doctor domain, lawyer domain, if you get trained, that is not fine tuning. Fine tuning. Okay. Embeddings. Embedding means 1 second. Charging is going this. Okay. Okay. Where we are? Okay. Embeddings, right? Numerical meaning is representation. Okay. Embeddings. Embedding. Student study, right? So this terminologies we have to embeddings. Okay, computer convert words into numbers so machine can understand. Okay, embeddings means okay, and converting the into the machine understandable numbers. Okay, words to numbers. These are the most embeddings. Repetition is the key to remember. Okay, that's it. Now AI also it will revise every time without if someone asks or if it doesn't ask also it will read so it will daily it will revise. The moment if you ask within fraction of second it will generate the answers. That is nothing but revising of for AI. Okay. Embedding you understand, right? That's it. Next transformers. Attention based okay more attention based architecture. Okay, it is it words how they are getting highlighted like that. It will highlight the architecture based. Okay, attention based architecture. Okay. Okay, next we'll study. Next, most important thing. Okay, generative AI mainly works on learning patterns from used data. Okay, used data it can learn patterns. Okay, okay, predicting next best token. Token means word, just next word. Predicting next words. Okay, if you are see when we are typing, they are given best example. When we are typing on mobile, it will give the based on words it will predict, right? So mobile typing suggestion, but super powerful. Okay, that's the example. Okay, generating human-like context. Okay, now generative AI is within 49 minutes it is completed. Now we see fresher level and experience level interview questions. Then we'll close it video. Okay, generative AI will close it. Okay. What is generative AI? Okay, generative means creating new context. Okay, new things. Okay, new creating new things. Okay, like stories, images, code, symptoms. Okay, we already know that. Generative is a type of artificial intelligence that generates new context using patterns learned from large data sets. We already studied it. Just we are seeing interview questions. Okay, right? See, here is a fresher level interview questions. Okay. Example: ChatGPT generate text, AI image model generate images. Okay. Difference between AI. AI means what? The once computer once we question, it will give answer. That's it. AI means ML. What is ML means? Machine learning. Okay. Computer learning from examples is nothing but machine learning. Deep learning means very powerful brain-like learning. Okay. Deep learning means difficult things it can learn. Okay. Now previously machine learning means what it said. We'll see. Okay. Learning the facts. Okay. Learning the facts. Okay. Okay, machine learning means computer learning from example, learning the facts. Okay, AI means okay, answering question to the answer answering based on questioning nothing but AI. ML means learning the facts, and learning the difficult things means deep learning. Okay, no technical answers. Okay, concepts. AI means ML means deep learning means simulation of human intelligence. AI ML means learning patterns from data. Learning patterns from data. Okay, deep learning means multi-layer neural network learning. Neural network we already seen, right? It's human brain. Okay, human brain. Okay, it's a human brain like thing. Okay, inspired by human brain. Okay, it's a machine learning model inspired by human brain. Is nothing but neural network. Multi-layer machine learning you model inspired by human brain learning. Okay, there is deep learning. Okay, simply nothing we have to remember. Simply AI means what? Based on question it will answer. That's it. It generative AI means creative answers it will give. Generative AI means AI doesn't give creative answers. Okay, generative AI give creative answers. Okay, ML means machine learning, right? mm, Learning the facts. Learning the facts is nothing but learning. Learning difficult things means deep learning. That's it. What is LLMs? Okay, we already seen that. Reads lots of internet text. Okay, like humans. Okay, leads we have seen the example, right? It will learn from uh, what we call internet. It will learn from books. It will learn from so many resources, and human will talk smartly. Similarly, it will also learn from lots of text like a human. Okay, LLMs is a transformer based deep learning model trained on massive text datasets. Datasets means videos, audios, images, okay, for natural language understanding and generation. Example: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Llama, Meta Llama. Okay, this is ChatGPT we are using, right? It is generated. Okay, that's it. What is prompting? Prompting is instruction. Okay, good question, good answer. Bad question, confusing answer. Okay, we have already seen the example. Okay, prompting is the process of designing optimized prompt to improve AI generated outputs. To improve AI generated outputs. Okay, for this generative AI prompt itself is the best example for prompt engineering. Okay, write code. If you say it doesn't understand, right? React logic with intelligence. We already seen this one. What are tokens? Okay, we already know this, right? I love AI. Okay, AI is one token, love is one token, and AI is token. Tokens are small units of text processed by language models. That's it. What is training in AI? Okay, like teacher teaching a child many examples. Okay, training is a process where AI models learn patterns by adjusting parameters using data sets. Okay, it will learn from data sets that mean text, video, audio. Okay, by adjusting it it learn from patterns. Okay, that is nothing but training in AI. That's it. Fine tuning means we have seen it. Smart student get special coaching again. Already about okay AI in technical way AI means AI is doctor domain, lawyer domain, it get trained means already trained is there. AI means trained only there. Doctor domain, lawyer domain also if it trained then it's not fine tuning. Okay. Technical definition fine tuning is additional training of pre-trained models on domain special data set. That's it. What is RAG? RAG we seen right. AI check notebook before answering it. Okay. Before writing exam, how student will read? We will read textbooks. Okay. Similarly, RAG also AI will refer the documents before answering it. That is RAG. Okay. What is hallucination? Confidently answering the wrong answers. Okay. Sometimes AI generate incorrect answers. That is not hallucination. What is transformer architecture? AI focus on important words. Okay. Highlighting the important words. Transformers use self-attention mechanism to process sequential data efficiently. Okay. Understood, right? What is deep learning then? We just now seen, right? Deep learning the difficult things. Okay. Computer artificial like fake brain is there, that by that fake brain learning the difficult things. Okay. Deep learning uses neural networks with multiple hidden layers to learn complex patterns. Difficult things means here in terms of AI complex patterns it will learn. Okay, that is deep learning. Okay. What is neural networks? Neural networks means machine learning model inspired by human brain. Okay. Fake brain made of connection neurons. Okay. A neural network is a computational model inspired by biological neurons. Okay. Human brain only. That's it. What are embeddings? So converting words into numbers is nothing but, and a computer means computer language understandable is nothing but embeddings. Okay. Next. What is vector database? Database means storing. Okay. Stores similar meaning together is nothing but vector database. Okay. Vector database means similar data together we store is nothing but vector database. Okay. Technical definition: a vector database stores embeddings for similarity search and retrieval. Okay. We are learning fresher level interview questions. Okay. Already we have seen it. How much we can answer just we are seeing. Okay. What is temperature in LLMs? Okay. Low is there, high is there, right? Less memory means it will forget the things. High memory means it will remember the conversations like that is okay. Controls creativity. Like that we example is there, right? Okay. Temperature controls randomness during token generation. Token means word generation. Okay. Understood, right? It low temperature means accurate, predictable. High temperature, creative, random. I'm thinking temperature means okay, based on prompt only it will answer, right? Based on good prompt means high temperature. I'm thinking and low temperature means okay. Why to think this will search it about coffee low temperature in Gen AI means restricting the model to pick only the most probable words. Okay, okay. It is restricting the model to pick only most probable words. Is nothing but low temperature. What is high temperature? Gen AI actually. Gen AI. Okay. The model's responses will be more random, creative, and diverse. Okay. More responsiveness. The model responses will be more random, creative, and diverse. Okay. It will be creativity. It will be there, right? Like generative AI. Okay. Creativity. Okay. Random. Okay. Okay, accurate and predictions. Okay, low temperature. That's it. Difference between ChatGPT and traditional search engine. Traditional search engine means we before ChatGPT we are used to search in Google, right? About a topic, it will generate links, right? See if it generate, it will links. Okay, this article it will generate. This article it will generate. Another link it will generate. This is okay. Before that, there is nothing but traditional search engine. Now ChatGPT means it will answer with creativeness based on the question. It will answer the creativity thing, generative AI. Okay. Search engine shows like links. Okay, search engine shows links is nothing but this one. Search engine shows links. articles, about articles. Okay. Now ChatGPT talks like human. Okay. It can explain it with examples like kid level explanation. This is the best example. Kid level explanation, technical definition. Okay, if you ask, okay, like that, that is nothing but ChatGPT. Okay, technical answers. Okay, we'll see technically. Search engines gives web pages. ChatGPT generates responses. Okay, this is web page only, right? If you click on this, it is generating one web page. One more web page is there. Web page means we already seen that. Web page means some information will be there on the body of HTML. This is body only, right? Whatever the context is there here, we will call it in HTML body. In body, whatever the text is there, there is nothing but what you call web page. Okay. What else? What else? Web page. So keyword search. Okay, keyword search based on keywords. Context understanding. Okay, based on understanding, ChatGPT will generate it. Okay. Statistic retrieval. Dynamically with retrieval. Okay. Based on dynamic create content, it will create. With non-dynamic content, it will create. Okay. Search engines. Okay. What are AI agents? Okay. It's a AI helpers that can think and do tasks. Okay. That's it. AI agents are technical definition means it AI or AI agents are autonomous systems capable of reasoning, planning, and tool usage. Okay, tools means softwares. Okay, software usage. Okay, what is multimodal AI? Multimodal AI can see, hear, and read. Okay, that is nothing but multimodal AI. Technical definition will say multimodal AI processes multiple inputs like text, image, audio, and video. Okay, that's it. Next, what is explain context window? We already seen that. Temporary memory size. Okay, what is AI? Temporary memory size. Context window is a maximum token limit processed simultaneously by LMM. Okay, okay, okay. Context window is a maximum token limit processed simultaneously by LLM. Control C, Control F, Control V. So context, this example we have seen that context window. Small memory forgets quickly. Big memory remembers more conversations. Okay. Context window is the maximum number of tokens a model can process simultaneously. That means maximum tokens, maximum words it can process simultaneously. Okay. How many number of tokens? That means how many number of words that it can process simultaneously, nothing but context window. That's it. Next, what are real world applications of generative AI? Okay, we already seen this one. Okay. IT is code generation, HR, resume writing, education, AI to tutors, and healthcare, medical summarization, and marketing is content generation. Now we'll see experience level interview questions. Okay. Explain architecture of LLMs. Okay. Input sentence goes through tokenizer, transformer, attention, prediction. Then output comes. This is nothing but architecture of LLMs. Okay. You have to remember these words. Tokenizer. That means words, transformers. We have already seen transformers. You can go. You can refer this attention and prediction. Okay, then output it will invest. Technical answers. LLMs typically includes tokenizer, embedded layers, transformer blocks, self attention, feed forward layers, decoder, token prediction layer. Explain self attention mechanism. Okay, Kidlow said AI checks important words carefully. Is nothing but self attention mechanisms. Okay, technical definition is self attention helps the model determine relationship between tokens in sequence. It's a model. Okay, helps them. Okay, not it's a model. Self attention helps the model. Model determine relation between the words in sequence. Okay, determines the relation between words in sequence. Okay, what is the relation between first word and second word? I love AI, right? I is one word. Whether it's nothing token. Love is another token, and another love AI is another token. What is the relation between them? That is nothing but it will define. If you're defining question, that model it will define determining is nothing but self attention mechanism. That's it. That's it. What is difference between fine tuning and rag? We have already seen that before. Mm, before it will refer some document before answering it. Fine tuning means mm, control C, control F, control. Okay, fine tuning is already trained one. Is that right? Already trained one. Again, again training about lawyer domain and doctor domain. That is fine tuning. Rag means referring the document before the before answering. That is not AI will do like that. Okay, that is rag. Okay, that only. Right? Just let me clarify once. Confirm once. AI check document before. That's it. Not only. Okay. Now we are next question. Explain prompt engineering techniques. Okay. Zero shot prompting is there, one shot prompting is there, few shot prompting is there, chain of thought prompt. Different prompting styles are there. One of the style we are seeing currently is few shot prompting. Like this is few shot prompting only. Giving examples before asking actual question. Okay. There are some prompting is there. Okay. In that one of the prompt few shot prompting is giving examples. Okay, giving examples before asking actual question. That is nothing but few short prompting. Okay, next, what is chain of thought prompting? Chain of thought prompting means, okay, AI tell think step by step. This is kid level explanation. That is nothing but chain of thought prompting. Technical definition we'll see. Chain of thought prompting encourages reasoning uh, through intermediate steps before generating final output. Okay, okay, okay. It encourages reasoning. It will encourage us reasoning the intermediate steps. Okay, before generating the final output, nothing but chain of prompt. But means step by step reasoning. It is done by chain of thought prompting. That's it. What is tokenization? Tokenization is the process of splitting text into smaller units of model processing. Okay. Splitting a text into smaller units of model processing is a tokenization. That means I love AI is there, right? Dividing into I is one token, love is another token, AI is another token. That is dividing, right? That is tokenization, and that's it. What is quantization? Quantization means making AI smaller and faster. AI smaller and faster. Quantization reduces model precision to optimize memory and interfere inter in inference performance. Okay, inference performance. Okay, making AI smaller and faster is nothing but quantization. That's it. What is interference? Interference. Kid level explanation is using trained AI to answer questions. To answer question, it is using trained AI. Okay, using trained AI to answer question is nothing but inference. Technical definition is inference is the execution phase where trained model generate predictive predictions or output. Trained model generates, that means it's using trained models to generate output. That's it. Inference. Okay. What is latency in AI systems? Technical definition will say latency is a response time taken by AI systems to generate output. The amount of time it is taking, okay, it will give a dot, right? Whenever you ask a question to ChatGPT, it will give the amount of response time it is taking. That time is nothing but latency of AI system. That's it. What is overfitting? Student memorized answers but cannot solve new questions. Okay, this is kid level explanation. Technical definition. That means uh, new questions if student got tackled, student cannot solve it. Similarly, we'll see technical definition. Overfitting occurs when model performs well on trained data. It can perform well on training data, but poorly on unseen data, which unknown data is there. If that data poorly it can perform means AI can perform means out. That means generative AI can perform means that is outfitting. That's it. Outfitting. Okay, this is a best example for that. Student out of syllabus question came means does we are able to answer in exam? No, right? We will write similarly. Uh, Unseen data if AI can AI tackle it, it can answer poorly like that. But training data or trained data, it can answer well. Okay, answering poorly that unseen data is nothing but overfitting. Okay, overfitting. That's it. What is underfitting? Underfitting occurs when model fails to learn patterns from training data. See, some topics will be there if while we are studying. We will we data train while training also, while learning also we don't understand some concepts, right? That is example. Okay, that kind of concepts is nothing but underfitting. What is technical definition? Underfitting occurs when AI models fail to learn patterns from training data. Already training data is there, but it is failed to learn that patterns. That is nothing but underfitting. What is overfitting? Overfitting means uh, out of syllabus. You remember the example. Okay, poorly answer the unseen data is nothing but outfitting. Underfitting means already data is there, but some concept we cannot understand, right? Similarly, already training data is there. AI failed to understand, that is underfitting. Overfitting. That's it. O for out of syllabus. You remember like that. Underfitting means opposite is there. O is there means out of syllabus. That example, if you remember, then that means unseen data. Out of syllabus means unseen data means poorly answer it will do. That is outfitting. Underfitting means underfitting means opposite one only. Train. What is opposite one? Not opposite means another remaining one is there. What is remaining one is there? Trained data also we are not AI is not able to understand clearly. That is not underfitting. That's it. Explain difference between supervised and unsupervised. Okay, supervised means unsupervised means learns from answers is supervised. Unsupervised means finds hidden patterns. So that means unsupervised. Okay, unlabeled data, labeled data. That's it. What are hyper hyper parameters? Hyperparameters are external configuration values controlling model trainings. Okay. Example: learning rate, batch size, epochs. Hyperparameters are external configuration values controlling model training. Okay, it is external configuration values. Which what it does in doing controlling model training is nothing but hyperparameters. Controlling model training is nothing but hyperparameters. That's it. What is learning rate? Learning rate is how fast student can learn. Okay, is nothing but learning rate. This is kid level explanation. Okay, general explanation. Technical explanation. What is learning rate? Controls how much models AI models weight update during training. How much fast it can update Okay, that is nothing but learning rate. Okay, explain diffusion model. Okay, AI cleans noisy image step by step. Okay, diffusion model we have seen, right? Image will blur, image will be there, step by step cleaning will be there, and beautiful image will come. That is example, right? The diffusion model. Similarly, diffusion model technical generates data through irritative denoising pressures. Okay, from raw data it will take and it will generate the beautiful data, it will generate. Okay, images and data it will generate. Okay, what are open source LLMs? Okay, Meta Llama, Mistral, Falcon. These are the examples of open source LLMs. Okay. Technical answers. Okay. Open source LLM provide publicly accessible model weights and architecture. Okay. Next we'll see what is LangChain. LangChain. People say LangChain, right? Connecting AI with tools. Okay. AI connecting artificial intelligence with software. Tools means software is nothing but LangChain. That's it. LangChain is a framework for building LLM, large language models. That means large language model means what we know. It is learning from lots of text. Okay, lots of data. Okay, AI learning from lots of data is nothing but LLMs. Okay, powered application with softwares. Tools are nothing but softwares. Memory and workflows is nothing but LangChain. Okay, simply AI with software is nothing but LangChain. That's it. Next, explain AI model lifecycle. Data collection, data processing, model training, evaluation, deployment, and monitoring. This we have to remember it. This is a life cycle. Okay, this we have to remember the terminologies. Okay, what is vector similarity search? Okay, finding semantically similar embeddings. Embeddings means words into numbers, right? Using distance metrics like cosine, cosine simultaneously. Semantically similar word to numbers. Findings meaning. Finding meaningfully similar. Semantically means meaningfully, right? Finding meaningfully similar uh, word to number using distance metrics is nothing but vectors similarity search. That's it. Next, explain ethical challenges of in generative AI. Okay, challenges: bias, misinformation, hallucinations. Okay, copyright issues, privacy concerns. These are some ethical challenges. Okay, some challenges are there, like disadvantages. Okay, like the hallucination which is there, right? It will give confidently, it will AI will generate the wrong answer. Okay, this is the challenge. Okay, ethical challenge of generative AI. Okay, okay, this is all about this one. Now HR question is based on my search. It will give answers. Okay, based on your search, it may give your answers. HR answers. Okay, what it is saying we will see. HR interview questions also we'll cover it out. Tell me about yourself. Hi, I am experienced in software development and I am currently learning generative AI concept like LLMs. Prompt engineering. LLMs means large language models like learning from text. Okay, prompt engineering means in instructions. Okay, RAGs means documents referring before answering, and AI means uh, computer answering the question is nothing but AI. Application development. I am interested in building AI powered solutions that improve automation and user experience. Okay. Why do you want to learn generative AI? Okay, generative AI is a transforming software development and automation. I want to enhance my skills and build intelligent application by using AI technologies. Okay. What are your strengths? So quick learner. I'm a quick learner. Okay, based on this search only, it will suggest this quick learner. It will understand that much. AI is ChatGPT is that much intelligent. Okay, because based on my search, so many I searched, right? It is saying I'm a quick learner, problem solving, adaptability, communication. Based on your search also, how many you search this many things. Based on your search, based on that your strengths, it will generate it. Okay, And communication. Adaptability and communication. What are your weaknesses? I sometimes spend extra time perfecting solutions, but I am improving my time management skills. Okay. Why should we hire you? I have software development experience, strong learning ability, and growing expertise in generative AI technologies. Most important interview tips. Okay. Priority is high to medium, like LLMs. I have definitions. Nothing is there. LLMs we know, prompt engineering we know, instructions. Okay, LLMs means we also know. Okay, RAG also we know, document referring. Okay, this is nothing but referring the uh, mm, reading so many textbooks and answering smartly. Okay, that's lots of data. Okay, transformer also we know, fine tuning also we know, embeddings also we know, vector DB also we covered, LangChain also we covered, AI agents also we covered, diffusion models also we have covered. Okay, these are the if you go to interview, these are the topics they will ask. These are the definitions, simple definitions with kid level explanation. Okay, and technical definition. Okay, this you have to remember it. Once if you study, don't we cannot remember it because we are new to this definition terminology, right? We have to revise. Then it will be stick in our mind. Okay, that's it. That's the key to success. Okay. Super important one line answer. What is LLM? Large language model trained on huge text data. What is RAG? Retrieval plus generated architecture. What is prompt engineering? Design optimized prompts. What is hallucinations? AI generating false information. What is finding domain specific retraining? Okay, that's it. I'll provide this what we call this notes also in comments. Okay, you can check it out. This okay. That's it about generative AI. We have completed generative AI full course with fresher level and experience level questions and answers. That this much in this video. Thank you for listening. Take care.